The Washington National Cathedral, located in Washington, D.C., is a renowned religious site and a masterpiece of architecture. Designed in the neo-Gothic style, it features pointed arches, stained glass windows, and intricate carvings. Construction began in 1907 and was completed in 1990, making it the second-largest cathedral in the United States. The cathedral's central tower stands 301 feet tall, and it's famous for its beautiful chapels and stained glass windows, including the space window, which contains a piece of lunar rock. Washington National Cathedral is not only a place of worship, but also a symbol of national significance, hosting state funerals, memorial services, and interfaith ceremonies. It's also a popular tourist destination, attracting visitors who admire its architecture and spiritual importance. This cathedral is a symbol of national unity and artistic excellence,